Yes, again. You already know what time it is. Once again, we've snagged another rare box of Cheetos mac and cheese. This time, it's the green label, which is the cheddar jalapeno one. For only $1, you too can get one of these. If you can even find it, because once again, this was the last one left in the store and they were all sold out on all the other ones. Someday I will get the elusive flaming hot mac and Cheetos, but that day is not today. Oh well. Anyway, you already know how to make this. Let's just go ahead and skip to the good part. And that's it. Cheddar jalapeno. This one isn't as vibrantly orange as the last one, but it does smell really good, so let's see how it tastes. Okay, so this time I used 1/3 cup of milk instead of 1/4 cup, and I think that helped out to make it less like dry, I guess. And this one also tasted really good too, so I like this one, and I think you will too if you like Cheetos. But yeah, that's about it.